How to copy base layout on COC from YouTube. Now in this video, I'll show you a specific way for you to be able to copy link layouts that you can get out from YouTube. So all you have to do at first is to make sure that you have let your COC or Clash of Clans open so that you can just go ahead and tapping on those free links. You don't need to copy and paste it from in-game. Next thing you want to do is to open up your YouTube application. Now from YouTube, all I have to do here is to look for free COC base layout. And then once you have chosen any random videos in here, all I have to do is to head straight into that content creators details or more. Scroll down and click on see more. So as you can see from here, there are a lot of options where you can just simply copy and pasting it. But all you have to do is to click or to tap on specific base that you choose. Then you will automatically be redirected here. For you to go ahead and use the specific base layout, just simply hit on Open Clash of Clans and you will get back and redirected into your game. Now it's going to be depending on what specific layout you choose from those links because not all of those links are available based on the level of your COC account. But that's it. That's how you copy base layout on COC from YouTube.